At Virgin Products, we are a product realization company. We help clients design, build, manufacture their products on their behalf. Over the life of our company, we have helped develop over 600 products for our clients. Products that save lives, products that measure. Our mission statement is, we make products that make a difference worldwide. We make products for medical, we make products for aerospace, defense, industrial control, very complex, high-end products that impact the world in multiple ways. So we make a difference for a patient who improves the quality of life. We make a difference with measuring water and the quality of air. We improve lithium-ion battery safety. We make products that capture virus in the air so researchers can study and learn more. Right here from Loveland, we make a significant impact in our economy and the improvement of the quality of life and safety for others. Something we often tell our clients is, you grow your business, grow your sales, grow your revenue, and let us take care of the rest. We'll do all the logistics for you, and we'll take that burden off your plate. As an end-to-end product realization company, we help clients with the design. We design for manufacturability, we design in quality. We source all the components. There could be thousands of components that we source to build their product, their device. We manufacture it using stringent quality standards. In our state-of-the-art factory, everything is paperless. Everything is process control. It is our own proprietary system that ensures zero defect, highest quality, highest yield of any manufacturing company that we know of. In Virgin Products, we love being part of the Loveland, Northern Colorado ecosystem. Everything that we need is here. Our supplier base, our customer base, client base, and the labor force that is in this area is awesome. In manufacturing, you need human resources, you need accounting, you need buyers and people that source product worldwide or ship product worldwide. It's not just putting things together. Engineering is another great example of talent we need to design the very best product that will make a difference. In Loveland, we have a strong DNA of manufacturing products, especially technology products. We at Virgin Products, we carry on that tradition of strong technology, strong quality products, zero defects, in a culture that's awesome, in an environment where we accomplish a lot of innovation and creativity.